To enable or disable edge panels or the sidebar on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to go to settings. Over here in settings, we should be able to go to display settings. And then in here, we need to proceed to the edge panels, which can actually be deactivated or enabled just by tapping on the switcher over here. But also you can tap on the option itself in order to find some additional options, like the customization of the handle and also the customization of panels. So you can easily decide what should be accessible in that sidebar. Now, in order to show the sidebar, you might be able to find this line. By default, it is located on the right side, and you just have to slide towards the inside of the phone, towards the middle of it, and there we go, we have our sidebar. You can tap, for example, on these dots that we have at the bottom in order to open the app drawer, and there is also this pen that allows you to customize, for example, apps that you have in there. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.